Farming and agricultural machinery you've never seen. Modern farming and agricultural practices have been transformed by incredible machinery designed to increase efficiency, reduce labor, and enhance productivity. These machines are often the unsung heroes of agriculture, working tirelessly to support the food supply chain and improve sustainability. Stad's Agri-Straw Shredder. The Stad's Agri-Straw Shredder is a game-changer for farmers dealing with large quantities of straw. This powerful machine is designed to shred straw into fine, manageable pieces, making it easier to handle, transport, and use as animal bedding or mulch. The shredder's robust design and high-performance blades ensure efficient and consistent shredding, even with tough and dense straw. Using the Stad's Agri-Straw Shredder, farmers can significantly reduce the time and effort required to process straw. The shredded straw is not only easier to spread and incorporate into the soil, but also decomposes faster, enhancing soil health and fertility. This machine's efficiency and reliability make it an indispensable tool for modern farming operations, helping to streamline straw management and improve overall productivity. Boxer Agri-Cultivator. The Boxer Agri-Cultivator is a versatile and powerful tool designed to prepare the soil for planting. This machine features multiple tines and blades that penetrate the soil, breaking up compacted layers and creating an ideal seedbed. The cultivator's adjustable depth settings and robust construction ensure optimal performance across various soil types and conditions. Using the Boxer Agri-Cultivator, farmers can enhance soil aeration, improve water infiltration, and promote healthy root development. The machine's efficiency reduces the need for multiple passes over the field, saving time and fuel. Its ability to handle tough soil conditions makes it a valuable asset for farmers looking to maximize their crop yields and ensure successful planting seasons. Horalas Silage Spreader. The Horalas Silage Spreader is an innovative machine designed to distribute silage evenly across fields. Silage, a fermented feedstock for livestock, is essential for maintaining animal health and productivity. This spreader's advanced design allows for precise control over the distribution rate and pattern, ensuring that silage is spread uniformly and efficiently. Using the Horalas Silage Spreader, farmers can optimize their feeding strategies and reduce waste. The machine's even spreading capabilities help ensure that all livestock have access to high-quality feed, promoting better health and weight gain. Haka New Coop Ditch Cleaning. The Haka New Coop Ditch Cleaning Machine is a specialized tool designed to maintain clean and functional drainage ditches. Proper ditch maintenance is crucial for effective water management on farms, preventing flooding, soil erosion, and waterlogging. This machine's powerful blades and adjustable settings allow it to remove debris, vegetation, and sediment from ditches quickly and efficiently. Using the Haka New Coop Ditch Cleaning Machine, farmers can ensure their drainage systems operate effectively, protecting crops and soil health. The machine's ability to handle various ditch conditions makes it versatile and reliable, reducing the need for manual labor and frequent maintenance. Van Berkel Group Mower. The Van Berkel Group Mower is a high-performance machine designed for efficient grass and forage management. This mower's advanced cutting technology and robust construction allow it to handle thick vegetation and uneven terrain with ease. Its adjustable cutting height and width settings provide flexibility, ensuring optimal performance in various field conditions. Using the Van Berkel Group Mower, farmers can maintain healthy pastures and ensure a steady supply of high-quality forage for livestock. The machine's efficiency and precision reduce the time and effort required for mowing, allowing farmers to cover larger areas quickly. Hemos Maschinenbau Excavator Dredge Pump. The Hemos Maschinenbau Excavator Dredge Pump is a powerful attachment designed for excavators, enabling them to handle dredging tasks with ease. This pump's robust construction and high-performance capabilities make it ideal for removing sediment, sludge, and debris from water bodies, such as ponds, rivers, and drainage systems. Using the Hemos Maschinenbau Excavator Dredge Pump, farmers can maintain clean and functional water bodies, promoting healthy ecosystems and efficient water management. The pump's ability to handle tough dredging conditions and its ease of attachment to excavators make it versatile and reliable. By enhancing the capabilities of standard excavators, this dredge pump supports sustainable farming practices and efficient land management. Irritech Global 4-Wheel Cart Linear. The Irritech Global 4-Wheel Cart Linear is an advanced irrigation system designed to provide precise and efficient water distribution across fields. This machine's innovative design and robust construction allow it to cover large areas with minimal water waste, promoting healthy crop growth and conserving valuable water resources. Using the Irritech Global 4-Wheel Cart Linear, farmers can optimize their irrigation practices, ensuring that crops receive the right amount of water at the right time. The system's adjustable settings and precision controls allow for tailored irrigation schedules, reducing the risk of overwatering or underwatering. This machine's efficiency and reliability make it an essential tool for modern farming operations, supporting sustainable and productive agricultural practices. Verger-Cournoyer Fruit Picking Machine. The Verger-Cournoyer Fruit Picking Machine is a revolutionary tool designed to streamline the fruit harvesting process. This machine's advanced design and gentle handling capabilities allow it to pick fruit without damaging the produce, ensuring high-quality yields. Its efficient operation reduces the need for manual labor and speeds up the harvesting process. Using the Verger-Cournoyer Fruit Picking Machine, farmers can improve their harvesting efficiency and reduce labor costs. The machine's ability to handle various types of fruit and its adjustable settings provide flexibility, making it suitable for different orchards and conditions. By enhancing the fruit picking process, this machine supports sustainable and profitable farming practices, ensuring that fresh, high-quality produce reaches the market quickly. Autrus LNC Compost Turner. The Autrus LNC Compost Turner is a vital machine for managing compost and organic waste on farms. This machine's robust construction and advanced turning capabilities ensure that compost is aerated and mixed thoroughly, promoting rapid decomposition and producing high-quality organic fertilizer. Its efficient operation reduces the time and effort required for compost management. Using the Autrus LNC Compost Turner, farmers can create nutrient-rich compost that enhances soil health and fertility. The machine's ability to handle large volumes of organic waste and its precise turning capabilities ensure optimal composting conditions. By promoting sustainable waste management and reducing the need for chemical fertilizers, this compost turner supports eco-friendly farming practices and improves overall farm productivity. Oliver Agro SRL Weeding Machine. The Oliver Agro SRL Weeding Machine is an innovative tool designed to manage weeds without the use of chemicals. This machine's advanced design and precision weeding capabilities allow it to target and remove weeds effectively, promoting healthy crop growth and reducing the need for herbicides. Its efficient operation supports sustainable and organic farming practices. Using the Oliver Agro SRL Weeding Machine, farmers can maintain weed-free fields and promote healthy crop growth. The machine's ability to handle various types of weeds and its adjustable settings provide flexibility, making it suitable for different crops and conditions. By reducing the reliance on chemical herbicides, this weeding machine supports eco-friendly farming practices and ensures the production of high-quality, organic produce. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.